if p square minus 2 root 56 minus 15 equals to 0, we have to find out the value of p to the power minus 2. So here is a given p square minus 2 root 56 minus 15 equals to 0. So our target to find out p to the power minus 2. So actually this one is a 1 by p square as per negative exponent, right? So this case we can write here is a p square equals to, if we exchange this one, 2 root 56 plus 15. Now here we can write 1 divide p square, and same here is also 1 divide 2 root 56 plus 15. Now this is the main point. How can we elaborate this one? 56 can be write 7 times 8, right? And also look, 7 plus 8 equals to 15. So this case we can write like 8 plus 7, it's a 15. And here is a 2, we can also write a root 8 times a root 7, also same thing. Now here it's a denominator, right? 1 by. Here is also 1 by. This 8 we can write a root 8 square. Same thing, this 7 we can write a root 7 square. So once we make square root and then square, it will be integer, right? Just 8 will become. And here it will be unchanged, 2 times root 8 times root 7. Now look, it's looking a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this case, what can we write? We can write here is a 1, and this one is a root 8 plus root 7 whole square. It means a plus b whole square. And this one is a 1 by p square. But our target to find out p to the power minus 2. So 1 by p square can be write p to the power minus 2. This case 1 divide root 8 plus root 7 whole square can be write root 8 plus root 7 to the power minus 2. And this is our answer. So have any question, please write a line in the comment section, and please subscribe my channel, because from this channel you will get lots of things for exam preparation. So thank you very much. Hope very soon I will back. Thank you.